Okay, so we're here at Apex 2023, and at this exhibition we're showing our Mascot inline SMEMA controlled conveyorized system with clinch. So it's our standard Mascot system with one carousel and one pick-to-light DPL array. We've obviously got our laser head and our step-by-step work instructions, but this is a SMEMA controlled conveyor, and the operators would stand at the workstation. They would pick the part from where the pick-to-light is telling them to. They'd pick the part and the laser would be indicating where this part needs to go. They'd put the part into the board and they'd hold their finger on the board, and underneath the board there is an XYZ mechanism which is going to come up and clinch, take the component lead and clinch that the leg of the component in any direction which it's been programmed to be. Now the next step, the operator would take a part from this carousel, so they take this resistor, they can see where the part needs to go, the laser's indicating that this particular part doesn't have polarity. I'd put the part in, and again underneath the board, once stepping on the foot pedal, the clinch pin would come up and clinch the component leg. Once the assembly is complete, the board will move on down the line and it will move on into the next process. So in this instance, it's going into one of our turntable units. The pallet will be picked up in the turntable and moved on into the next process within the line. So in this case, it's one of our link conveyors. This particular link conveyor is angled, so if it were to be going into a wave solder machine or something like that, we also have speed control on the conveyor, so we can match the speed of the different machines which are on either side of the conveyor. So if the wave was running at a slower speed, we can match that speed as the pallet moves up.